Welcome back to Lenfi and our Catalyst-funded software development kit overview, enabling wider accessibility of automatic borrowing in the Cardano ecosystem. In Project Catalyst Fund 11, we were awarded funding to solve the following problem: address the risk of centralization in Lenfi by replacing reliance on a centralized UI for on-chain actions with a programmable software development kit for decentralized borrowing and lending. We identified a critical issue in the current operation of decentralized finance platforms, particularly Lenfi. The reliance on a centralized user interface for conducting on-chain transactions not only poses a risk of centralization, but also limits accessibility and innovation. This goes against the core principles of DeFi and blockchain technology, which aim to democratize finance. To combat this, we proposed the development of a software development kit for Lenfi. This toolkit empowers users with basic programming skills to directly interact with the Lenfi protocol. By bypassing the need for a centralized UI, we foster a truly decentralized ecosystem where innovation and participation are not bottlenecked by technical barriers or centralized control points. The development of the Lenfi software development kit adds significant value to the Cardano ecosystem by creating more efficient markets that increase on-chain activities. By facilitating easier composability for other projects, it paves the way for a more interconnected and robust DeFi landscape on the Cardano blockchain. This will not only attract new users and developers, but also foster innovation and collaboration within the community. The software development kit will serve as a foundational tool that empowers developers to build more diverse and user-friendly applications, contributing to the overall growth and maturity of the Cardano ecosystem. As part of Catalyst Fund 11, the project requested a total of 125,000 ADA to be allocated for developers' salary, which translates to $96 per hour over 480 hours work. The following milestones have been successfully achieved, marking the completion of the Lenfi software development kit. A public codebase was created and published on our public GitHub repo. This codebase is the source code for a software development kit that can be pulled and built locally. Once built, the software development kit constructs transaction bodies for actions such as deposit, withdraw, borrow, repay, and liquidate. The batcher functionality was successfully implemented, allowing for smooth execution of deposit, withdraw, borrow, and repay orders during busy periods. This improvement enhanced automation and significantly improved the overall user experience. The batcher integration enables software development kit users to function as batchers for the protocol during periods of high pool activity. This allows them to automate the execution of deposit, withdraw, borrow, and repay orders in exchange for a batcher fee. This integration streamlines the process and enhances transaction efficiency. The software development kit functionality was also expanded to pool actions. An addition was made to the public codebase on our GitHub repo. This update provided the software development kit with the ability to handle actions such as create pool, delete pool, and delegate to stake pool. Users were enabled to build transaction bodies for these actions. The deliverables for this milestone enables developers and users to fully utilize the additional functionalities of our DeFi lending and borrowing protocol. The Lenfi software development kit is a TypeScript library that provides an interface to interact with the Lenfi protocol on the Cardano blockchain. This software development kit simplifies the process of depositing, borrowing, repaying, and liquidating assets within the Lenfi ecosystem. After significant effort and dedication from the team, the software development kit was successfully completed and made publicly available to the Cardano community. This allows anyone to easily access and start using the software development kit for their own convenience and integration needs. The development of the Lenfi SDK has been an exciting journey characterized by collaboration and innovation. By making the software development kit publicly available, we empower developers and users within the Cardano community to easily engage with our secure lending solution. We extend our heartfelt thanks to everyone who contributed to this project, and we remain dedicated to enhancing our platform to ensure it is secure, efficient, and user-friendly for all. Above all, thank you to Project Catalyst and the Cardano community for funding this crucial piece of Cardano DeFi infrastructure.